Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Naro Putra Lesti, and my student ID is 202431098. And in this video, I will explain you the HTML code of the website that I already made, which is called Environmental Pollution Information. Now I will show you the first code. So this is the first code that I already made, which is called index.html. And in the first line, there's the doc type HTML, which is tells the browser that we are using as HTML. And the second one is HTML length or end, which is to tell us the language that we are using is English. And the next one is the head sections, which is there is the meta, car seat, meta name, and the title, which is that will appear on the browser tab, which is informasi pencemaran lingkungan, and then the last one is link rel, which is to connect our HTML file with CSS file, which is controls the design. And then the next one is the body sections. The body sections contain everything that will appear on the screen soon. And then in this section, I add two classes, which is Moderapi and then the theme part. And this will be used to change the visual them later. And the next one is the header sections, which is in the header sections, I add a box called identitas, which is contains my name and then my student ID that will appear on the screen. And the next one is the main section. Inside the main sections, we have two big parts, which is the one that the general explanation about the environmental pollution, and then the second one is the list of 7 pollution problems. And the first one is in this one, the introduction section. In these sections, I wrote or I put a short explanation about the environmental pollutions, and which is give us or give the reader small information about this pollution. And then the second one is I made the seven problem, which is the environmental pollutions. The I create each each problems has a article and the title and a short description. This one, the article, the title, and the short description. The first one is pencemaran udara, pencemaran air, and then pencemaran tanah, and then the description pencemaran tanah, blah blah blah, like that. And each topics has the article tag, which is to makes to define that this this part easy to uh, to organize in the CSS code or the Java code. And then the next one is the control buttons. And this part I made the class icon called control, and then there's two control. The first one is to change the mode of the mode that will appear on the screen, this one. And then the second one is to the button to show the picture of or the image of the pollution problems that we are already explained before, and this button will be will work using like the JavaScript in the script.js. And the next one is footer to make a small what we call like a closing section like that whole pemrograman web, which is the subject that I take, and then the website information pencemaran lingkungan. And then the next one is this one script, and the search is script.js script, which is to make the what in button interactive, which is to make this part has a relationship with the JavaScript. And then next one, I will explain you about the gallery HTML. Like before, in the first line, second line, and then the head part, it's still same as before, like same as the index HTML before. Like there's the title, but this one the title is galeri pencemaran and informasi pencemaran lingkungan, and the link is to connect with the CSS also to design the the page. And then the next one is the body and the header section, which is inside the body. I use the class also again like called moderapi and temping, same as before. And the class for the header is header, and the class for the class to show small text like before is not like my name and my student ID again, but this one called galeri and contoh pencemaran lingkungan. And next one is we are I'm going to explain you the main sections that I already made, which is I create sections called gallery, or this one container gallery. And in the main content, there is a card that will show will show the image, and this one inside the section class. I add a 7 class, which is the first one is the 7 class, which is each class has the image search to get the image where it's from, and then the title, this one, and I get the picture from this one. This one, the asset that I get or I've used. There's the 7 one, and this is the same code. This the same code until the last one. And the last one, there's the back, and there is the controls again, but this one is back buttons. Back button. That means that back to the page, the previous page. And then this one also will use the JavaScript to to make the user back to the previous page. And this one is the script search script.js to connect this HTML code with the JavaScript. And the next one I will explain is CSS. And in the line 3, I use root to define the color variables, like to make it easier to what we call to set the color. And that is the primary, which is the main color. I use the pink, and then the second one is accent to make the highlight stronger, and then the text is black, and then for the background is pink for the whole website. And then the next one is box sizing. This makes the layout sizing easier, maybe, and like more consistent. And this one in this sections, like to keep the entire website clean, and then like also neat and easy to read. And then the second, the next is the header, which is to make the header like looks modern, like we use the padding 16 pixel, and then the text line is left background, and then we use the primary accent, and the color is pink, but pink pink, but it's so like light, maybe, if I'm not wrong. And then the next one is the identitas section or identity section. The first one is I made the like H1 or header one to like the title, for the title, and then the P is for the paragraph that I made. And then the next one is container, which is to help the content like easy to read, and then like easy to read like on, especially on the big screen or on the small screen, like that. And the next one is intro or introduction section, which is to set the line height, like this one, 1.5. And then for the pollution, for the issue is for the pollution issue, like before I made. So the each issue becomes clear, uh and like it's like has a different visual, maybe, if I'm not wrong. And then the next one is for the controls button, like the before, like for the change the mode, the back to the previous, and to see the gallery, like that. This one makes the buttons like easy to click and match the what match the page that we want to open. And then the next one is the gallery cards. And this gallery card page, we use this one. We use to arrange the size of the image, like this one, like on small screen, we only like one columns, like one picture, and one picture. And then on the what a medium screen, like tablet, maybe, like two columns, like there is a picture, and then there is a picture, and until the last one. And then on the large screen, we make it like 3 3 3 3 3 3, like that, 1 1 1 1 1 1. And also the uh which one? Also this one, the oh no, this one is for that one, the media, like how it looks on the screen, like that. And this one is for the messy mode, like we can change the messy, like how, like it will make it the text looks like what how like that. And then to and then the color change, and then the box, or the box like messy, and then like that. And then this one for the the footer, like how the footer looks on the screen. And then the next one is JavaScript. The next one is JavaScript, which is and this part like from 1 to 16, these parts will select like all the issue that we make, like uh the issue like before the tag that we make, that the and when the user like click that issue, the code that will find the paragraph right under it. And then this is give the user control, like over hiding or showing each page, maybe like a simple click. And then the next one is because the and then the next one is to this code will uh, this code will make the model switching, like the change color like that. And then if we click the website like to need mode rapi, this one will go. And then if the mode berantakan or messy mode, this one will go. And then the next one is the show image. This one to make the when the user what when the user clicks JavaScript will move it to the gallery. If we want to see the gallery or show the image, it will make it like move to gallery page. And this one, to make it like if we click the button to back to the privilege pref, pref, previous page, it will back like in the uh, gallery, if we are in the gallery section or gallery page. So maybe that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Gue nggak peduli.